The topic we are going to see is ANOVA and design of experiments. Okay, what is ANOVA? ANOVA means analysis of variance. Okay, so it was introduced by R.A. Fisher. Okay, so what is the purpose of ANOVA means? It is used to compare more than two means. Okay, so for comparing two means, we will use t-test or z-test. Okay, to compare more than two means, we will use ANOVA. Okay, that is to test the homogeneity of several means. Okay, so ANOVA is used to compare more than two means. Okay, so in general we will say to test the homogeneity of several means. Okay, that is he tests the statistical hypothesis h0 is equal to mu1 mu2 up to mu1 or all the alternate hypotheses at least one pair of mean different. Okay, so this ANOVA will test the hypothesis that is all means are equal or at least one pair of mean are different. Okay, so this is the use of ANOVA. And a situation where ANOVA can be applied. See, for example, one you can see to compare the effect of board, PPT, and online mode of teaching on student performance in exam. Okay, so in the example one, we are having three population. Okay, that is one is board mode, another is PPT mode, and other is online mode. So here we want to compare the three effect. Okay, that is three mode of teaching. Okay, so here we will have three means. Okay, so here we are comparing the three treatment. Okay, the first treatment is board teaching. Okay, and second treatment is the PPT teaching. Okay, and the third teaching is the online mode of teaching. Okay, so here we want to compare the three mode of teaching. Okay, that is three mean. Okay, so we can use ANOVA. And similarly, in the second example, you can see to compare the different level of fertilizer. Okay, fertilizer application on yield of rice plant. Okay, so we want to compare the different level of fertilizer. That is, for example, urea 30 kg, 50 kg, 70 kg, and 100 kg. Okay, so in this four level, which level will give the maximum yield? Okay, of rice. Okay, so that we want to compare. Okay, so here we are having four. And in example 2 we are having 4 treatment. Okay, that is 30 kg level and 50 kg level and 70 kg level and 100 kg level. So here we want to compare 4 means. Okay, so we can use ANOVA. And similarly in the third example we want to identify the best energy drink to increase the stamina of athletes. Okay, so for this we are using four energy drinks. Okay, one is Horlicks and Boost and Bonvita and Maltova. So in this four drinks, which is the best? Okay, to increase the stamina of athletes. Okay, so here also we are having 4 means. Okay, so in the first example we are having 3 means. Okay, and similarly in the second example we are having 4 means, and in third example we are having 4 means. Okay, so here the mean in this example the means are greater than 2. Okay, so we can apply ANOVA to test whether difference is there or not. Okay, so the ANOVA will test only the difference. Okay, the whole difference, whether there is a whole difference is there or not. Okay, and the definition of ANOVA. ANOVA means it is a statistical procedure of decomposing total variation into individual components. Okay, that is we are decomposing the total variation of the total means into the individual components. Okay, the component is assignable. Okay, observed components and chance costs, that is non-observed non-observed or environmental components. Okay, see the name is analysis of variance because we are decomposing the variation. Okay, so based on the variation we will find whether the mean is different or not. Okay, so in ANOVA we will analyze the variance. Okay, so based on the analysis of variance we will find whether the mean is different or not. Okay, so the name we are saying ANOVA. Okay, so by comparing the variation between treatment mean, one would be able to identify the difference among means. Okay, uh, thereby can find best treatment. So ANOVA will use the F test. See, F test is used to compare two variants. Okay, so ANOVA in ANOVA we will use F test. Okay, so this is one important question. Okay, so which test will be used in the ANOVA means the answer is F test. Okay,